The Commission on Election or COMELEC proved that distance is not a hindrance to register qualified Filipinos. In fact, in today's resumption of the continuing voter registration, the poll body led by Chairman George Erwin Garcia and Commissioner Ernesto Ferdinand Maceda Jr. went to the Calayan Municipality in the West Philippine Sea.
Marapat lamang na ang COMELEC ay magpakita at magpatunay na kaya namin puntahan ang kahit saang parte ng ating bansa. Maiparehistro lang ang ating mga kababayan. Nakakatuwa po sapagkat napakadami nagpaparehistro dito sa Pag-asa.
Despite the challenges posed by geographical remoteness, over 1,000 residents in the area were given the opportunity to register. Garcia emphasized it was a symbolic move by the Commission to also assert the country's territorial integrity. No other state has the right in the area except the Philippines.
Wala namang kaduda-duda, ang kinatatayuan nating lupang ito ay lupa at pag-aari ng Pilipinas. The fact na nandito ang COMELEC, nagpaparehistro tayo ng ating mga kababayan, mga Pilipino, nangangahulugan Pilipinas ito.
The Armed Forces of the Philippines Western Command or AFP Westcom assures the safety of the residents in the entire duration of the registration.
Nakikisa po kami sa mga activities ng COMELEC dito sa Pag-asa Island. Ito po ay pagpapatunay na ito po ay atin ang Pag-asa, atin ang Kalayaan, West Philippine Sea, atin po ito.
Meanwhile, in Quezon City, residents from 6 districts flocked to the COMELEC satellite office in Barangay Bago Bantay for the commencement of voter registration for the 2025 midterm elections. To streamline the process and minimize confusion, floors within the building were designated for each district, ensuring an organized queuing system. Registered voters lauded the efficiency of the process, noting that they were able to complete their registration in less than an hour.
Mas mabilis ngayon kaysa dati. Pumila kami mga 11 yata, pero 11:15 nakaakyat kami. 11:30 tapos bilis.
Opo, expectation namin po. Hanggang 2 p.m. po daw. Pero ano lang naman, mabilis lang naman.
According to data from COMELEC, Quezon City saw 1.4 million registered voters during the 2022 national elections. A similar number is anticipated for the upcoming midterm elections in 2025. JP Nunez, UNTV, News and Rescue. We serve the people, we give glory to God.